Good morning, folks. Oh, that's a lie. It's not morning anymore. Just really quick before we start the day, maybe you noticed or not, I disabled comments and cut that video down a little bit, the reboot one. All the comments that came in, much appreciated. You know, it's nothing to do with that. I just think things started to get a bit too heated, and you know, we are not like those people. That's not what we do. That's to all of us. So understandable why everyone got pissed off about it. You know, trust me, we did as well. But it's not about spreading hate. It was more just to raise awareness for what's happening. You know, that individual has, well, I'd like to think, seen that actually that mentality is not acceptable in this world. So I do thank you for all of that. But of course, you know, never promote aggression onto people, because that's yeah, that's not acceptable. Doesn't matter who you are or what you've done. So yeah, I've kind of ruined my video a little bit, chopping and cutting it in the YouTube editor, but yeah, I think the message has been put out there. That was the main thing. So, and again, I disabled comments because obviously, you know, a lot of things were said in them, and this doesn't need to go on for any longer than it should. So yeah, I think that was the right move to do. Hope you all appreciate that. CJ's done the same with his. So I do encourage you to watch his video, because it is actually the story. I mean, I was so annoyed that I just didn't use any of the footage that I'd filmed at that location, which was a shame because it was gorgeous. But yeah, I can't really go back on that now. So yeah, I hope we can all learn from this. Right, I suppose I better do something with me day. So the plan, this is what I've got. Got some bits off an old grill. So we've got this and the grill itself. So what I'm thinking is try and cut this out. So we've got these bits, bend it round, and then this is going to somehow go on there. Not exactly sure how yet, but I'll figure it out. Bit of bending and bodging is in order, I think. I think I've made something. I'm going to call it Franken-Cooker. A lot of bending, bit of hammering, but I think we got something. There it is. Not exactly sure how I managed to get that out of that grill, but kettle's good and pan is good. Will it work or not? I don't know. I'm gonna have to try. Maybe I'll need to make it closer. Not sure. If I put this on it somehow, that might trap more heat and get hotter. So fire's going. It's not mega hot yet. I'll just put a little pan of water on there. I need to wash it anyway, so boil some water in it, and well, try and boil some water in it. See how it goes. I've not got the fire particularly raging at the minute, so yeah, see how long it takes. Pretty warm. I mean, the steel's at 100 Celsius, so hopefully that'll be going up, catching in this pan, and yeah, I don't know, we'll see. We're about 20 minutes into this, and so far no boil. So I'm probably going to need to adjust it. I mean, it would be enough heat because this is at 150 degrees now. So if the pan was touching the burner directly, it'd be boiling. But obviously having that air gap is affecting it, so I'm gonna have to have a bit more of a play, I think. See what else I can come up with. Should have just put a bloody flat top on it in the first place. I'll leave it for a little bit longer, see what happens. Yeah, I think we've established that's not going to work. I've got some ideas for the next attempt. Yeah, I think it's too far away. It's not even that hot to touch, so I think the thin metal, the air gap, it's just not going to happen. We'll figure it out. Right, going to go for a little firewood mission now.
I'm just going to say hi. No, he's going to jump. Stay. Hey? Hi, Dad.
What you got?
I've got some nettles. Going to try and make some nettle tea. And actually I got some blackberry things as well.
Oh, you get some?
Yeah, but I think they need to grow a bit more. I've not done my research on that.
It's not the season yet, is it?
Not really, no. So I'm going to go and sit down and have a look.
Right, so I've just ripped that off because no bueno. Got them out and created this. It's a bit rough around the edges at the minute, but I'm going to give it a go and see if it works any better. So this might trap the heat inside there a lot better. Don't know, just give it a go. I think it might get hotter if I paint it black underneath as well. Well, the fan's working, so that's a start. Although that doesn't really take a lot of heat to get going, so it's not a great test. But I'll stick the saucepan back on now and see what happens. Right, update, not great. No boil. The log burner is flipping baking. So I just don't think it can work this way. I think the only way to do it would be to weld a flat plate onto the top of it, because then it'd actually transfer the heat through that into the pan rather than relying on air, which it still is. As an experiment, I bet if I took this plate off now and just rest the saucepan on it, I bet it will start to boil. Let's give it a go. Yeah, it doesn't even boil like that, so I mean, I've got it hot. To get this hot enough to boil that, I'm going to end up melting my van. So I'm going to have a rethink on that one. I do actually have an alternative for when the gas runs out. I've got like a small portable barbecue thing. So, you know, end of the day, if I need to, I can just cook on that. So I think, the gas will last bloody ages anyway. Oh, so it looks like I'm not cooking on the log burner tonight then. That's a bit annoying.
I'm going to be making some nettle tea today. Got my nettles, I'm boiling some water, and I'm going to just put them in, let them soak for a few minutes, and then apparently that's all you need to do. There is another way you can do it, which is hanging them up and letting them dry out, and then you sort of crush them to make normal, you know, dried tea leaves, and you strain it and you can make it that way. But I really want to try it today, so I'm going with this way first. So water's boiled now and I'm just putting them in to soak. I'm not sure how many to use. If someone knows how to do this, you can tell me if this is the right or wrong way, but I'm guessing it's pretty straightforward. Don't want that in there, do we? Because that's a bit disgusting. And just let it soak for 5 minutes. You know what that smells like, actually? It smells a bit like spinach. Oh, there's a fly in it. Oh, see, this is why I was a bit nervous about doing stuff like this, because what about little bugs? Oh, I'm so excited to try this. It smells good. It smells like a bit like cabbage and spinach. Yummy. Oh my god. That actually looks like warm piss. I'm so nervous but excited. Okay. Ooh, that's good. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to taste like that. Ooh, tastes like broccoli water. That's good. I'm happy. I like.
Oh dear, I was about to go to bed again without saying ciao. I always do that. Just been chilling, watched a film this evening, Book of Eli. Brilliant film. Not sure what I'm going to do about that log burner. I'll probably just get the little barbecue thing set up and start using that maybe. Just try and save on the gas a bit. Might try and get a bit more gardening stuff set up tomorrow. The only problem I've got is I don't have any compost, so because CJ's got some seeds. I should have bought some. I didn't even think to buy seeds and that kind of thing. I was prepared to get through a situation, but I wasn't thinking mega long term, so I don't know, we'll see. It's fun to have a go at these things though, ain't it? Be interesting to see if those carrots start up. Yeah, I don't know. Right, I'll call it there for today, so don't know what the plan is tomorrow, but I shall see you there. Catch you in a bit.